Hey guys, welcome back to Beardchanics garage. As you can see, right behind me, we've got an MX5 on. Yes, the MX5 is broken, but as you can tell, it's going to get fixed. It's currently at Rallysport Engineering Academy on the aid, which is over there at the minute, fiddling with Project D. Is basically going to help us fix the car with a student by basically switching the engine, because I'm just going to put few clips for you, but basically the engine is dead.
Here is the MX5 out on the boat. I wonder what it does here. Oh, that doesn't look good.
And yeah, as you can see, it is pretty bad. So we've ordered another engine. We've dropped it with the car at Rallysport Engineering Academy. And Aid over there is going to fix it all up for us, or at least make the student do it and supervise the hell out of it. And while it's up in the air, we might as well inspect the underneath properly. So you said is that this spring that
yeah, that's recently broke.
Yeah, that's recently broke. I've ordered some coilover, so not only is the MX5 getting fixed, it's going to get some applied. We will do a video about the coilover, which are like cheap, but supposed to be decent one. It's rusty. You said just need welding.
Yeah, it's got one small patch at the back.
Yeah, those pretty bashed in. But we can I'll order a kit as well to basically kits that go over it to fix it, and we'll get it done as well. The other one is actually not too bad, isn't it? Huh?
No, that's alright, that one.
But 30-year-old, isn't it? Oh, that corner, isn't it? Yeah, here. A bit of rust. Oh yeah, and depending on finance, maybe we'll get a little brake kit on there as well. Aidy's got like some ideas for the end. He's asked whether he could cut the bumper, and you know us, we like cutting bodies, so we couldn't say no. And yeah, I guess we can drop it and check out the engine bay. So slow, I should have done a time lapse. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I know. It takes forever. It's because the car don't weigh much. That's what it is.
Alright, we've got the engine bay. So, what have you done so far, and what's the plan?
We've just started taking the ancillaries off to get the engine out, exhaust manifolds off. We've deleted the aircon for you because it had no gas in it anyway. So,
yeah. Which is over there, and it's probably quite. What? There's at least 10 kilograms worth of bloody weight.
Yeah, probably on the compressor. Yeah. And then we just drained the water out. Not that there was a lot of water in it, which I think is part of your problem. All the aircon pipes are off as well. So we're just getting the ancillaries off, ready to pop the engine out. Still need to get the starter motor out so we can unbolt the torque converter from the plate. But it's all going smoothly-ish. You know, a lot of snap bolts, but
yeah, that we have encountered it. That's how the wing we often refer of just holding on with one bolt ended up. And I think like you still have some here that are basically in it.
We're going to drill all those out for you anyway. Drill them all out, retap them. As you saw, we've got some nice new bolts for them as well that we're holding them on.
Yeah. We will. You guys will have to wait to see what they look like. The rust is going to get covered as well. I need to order some blue. What is it?
Hammerite, spray hammerite.
There you go. That way you don't need to send it to me. I can just watch the video. And yeah, so after. When it's going to come out, it's going to be quite different.
Be like it's been through Pimp My Ride.
Yeah. Oh,
Aid actually donated us a spoiler as well, which he will install. So, you know, I'm going to try to get the body kit soon too, but yeah, pretty sweet wing to go on there. So the MX5 that has been sitting for so long and you know we stopped doing videos is going to get tons of changes.
So you know, it's not going to get like massive power yet, but like I've said in the earlier video, we're trying to kind of follow the Project D route. Let's make it look cool, let's put a nice message on it, and then
We'll put some power because you know, maybe after we can scumbag Hyde into fixing the Corvette.
Maybe. Who knows? We got your JDM exhaust let as well.
Look at this bad boy.
And we've been working on a little adapter. It's not finished, but working on it for a Pro-Ram air filter for you.
So it should sound,
Should breathe a little bit better.
yeah, and sound good too. Which it wasn't the case, to be fair.
It was quiet. Well, it was quiet until your engine started knocking.
Yeah, but it's not the kind of noise you want, isn't it?
No, it's not.
And that's it, guys. You know, plenty of changes coming for the MX5.
Plenty of work.
All thanks to Aid, you know, to be fair. Big thanks to Rallysport Engineering Academy for allowing us to use the space. And, well, thank you to the students for helping us out as well with our project. And, you know, we will have to make sure it is credited on the car.
It's also thank you to you for allowing the students to work on it though.
Well, you know, it's a nice partnership.
It gives them a chance to work on it. A lot of them do love it as well.
Yeah.
A lot of them do.
Well, they are quite popular, aren't
Yes,
they? They're kind
they
of
are.
love little nugget.
That's it, they are. And it's a car that they can see on your channel, they can see out on the road. I've already shown your channel to a lot of them, and they've seen the actual car
Yeah.
now they're working on YouTube.
Yeah, well,
So
yeah,
yeah.
it is a pretty cool stuff to
That
be able
is,
to.
that is
yeah.
for them to be able to say that. That
Yeah.
is. So yeah, thanks to you for that as well.
All right, so you know, love all around. Oh, and we are going to actually partner with Rallysport Engineering Academy to do quality how-to videos, not the
That
same
quality.
way, you know, not like the scumbag way of doing stuff like Leon and I did, with just bashing stuff until it fits, you know. But yeah, so it will be great for us because we will learn the right way to do it by teachers, and it also means that pupil will be able to use the video and do the job properly, which is why we stopped doing how-tos and stuff we did not know exactly, because there is no point giving crap information to people.
Yeah.
So anyway, if you haven't subscribed yet, plenty of reason to subscribe. Go check out Project D on A's channel in the description. Plenty of link in the description. Go explore them, and yeah, give everybody a follow and spread the love, guys. And yeah, see you in the next one.
See you soon.
See you soon. Bye bye.